Hey there! Are you someone who loves to give their opinion on different topics and issues? Do you like to participate in surveys and earn some extra cash on the side? If so, then you'll definitely want to check out the Voissy app. In today's world, it can be tough to make ends meet, and every extra dollar counts. But with so many survey websites and apps out there, it can be hard to know which ones are legit and which ones are just a waste of time. Plus, many survey apps require you to spend a lot of time taking surveys just to earn a few cents, which can be frustrating and demotivating. That's where Voissy comes in. With this app, you can easily take surveys and earn real cash rewards. Plus, with a minimum withdrawal amount of just $4 and the ability to withdraw via PayPal, you can quickly and easily access your earnings whenever you need them. So, how does Voissy work? It's simple. First, you'll need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've done that, you can sign up for an account and start taking surveys right away. Voissy will match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics, so you can be sure that you're providing valuable feedback. But the best part? You can earn up to $20 per month just by taking surveys on Voissy. That's a significant amount of extra cash that you can use to pay bills, save for a vacation, or treat yourself to something nice. In conclusion, if you're looking for a legit survey app that will actually pay you for your time, then Voissy is the app for you. With a low minimum withdrawal amount, the ability to withdraw via PayPal, and the potential to earn up to $20 per month, it's an easy and rewarding way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So why not download Voissy today and start taking surveys? Your wallet will thank you. The link to the app will be in my description, so please like, share with your friends and subscribe.